Hi guys, I'm Farhan from the Coding Crab. Today, I'll be showing you how you can install WordPress locally on your computer. But there are two types of WordPress. One is WordPress.org and second is WordPress.com. Now the key difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org is actually hosting your website. With WordPress.org, you host your own site by creating a local server. On the other hand, with WordPress.com, you have to buy a domain name and server and then launch your live website. So now let's install WordPress locally in just 4 simple steps. And it is going to be totally free. In first step, we're going to download a software called Xampp. To download Xampp, just open your Chrome browser and type Xampp download in search bar. And now click the first link. Now if you are Windows user, you can download the Xampp from this section. And if you are Linux user, then go with this section. And this last section is for Mac user. So I have already installed Xampp in my PC. So now click on the setup, click OK. Press next. And next. Now here select your drive where you want to install this software. I choose drive E. And now, here create a new folder and rename it as Xampp. Select this folder. And now click next. And next. Again next with default settings, and install it. So my installation is finished. And we have completed the first step. After first step of Xampp installation, we have a second step to download and install WordPress.org locally in our PC. To download WordPress, open your browser again and type WordPress.org download in the search bar. Click the first link. So the WordPress site is open, and now scroll down. So here is the setup of WordPress.org with current version of 5.4.1. Now click download. After download completes, extract this file on your desktop. And now open this folder and copy all the files. And now open the Xampp folder. Here we have a folder called htdocs. Open this folder. And create a new folder here. You can write any name you like. Now paste here all files which we have copied from WordPress folder. That's it, and we have complete 2 steps. And now the third step is to create a database. And it's so simple, so just open the search bar and type Xampp control panel. And open it. So here we have a very important step to start this server. Just select first 2 options, Apache and MySQL. And minimize this screen. Open your browser again. And type localhost/phpMyAdmin. And here we have database site. Now click the database tab here. Now type the exact folder name of your WordPress in this database text box. You can also copy the folder name and paste here. And then click on the create button. Here we have successfully created our database, so we have completed the third step successfully. And now the last step is to install the WordPress on our PC. For WordPress installation, open your browser and type localhost/ and here type the folder name that you have created in htdocs folder. And press enter. So the WordPress installation page will be open, and now select your language and press the continue button. Here this is the welcome page of WordPress installation. Click on the Let's Go button. And here you have to enter your database connection details. Enter the database name here that you have already created in the third step. Now type any username in this text box. Like my username will be root. You can also change your username at any time. Now select the password if you want. I am not selecting any password because this is locally installed in my personal computer. This table prefix section is to run multiple WordPress in a single database. And now go with default settings and press the submit button. Here, run the installation process. And now in this page, you have to provide all the information of your WordPress site. Type here your first WordPress website name of your choice. Now change your username and password of WordPress if you want. But I am going with my default name and password. Remember that, when you will launch your website, you must have to change this username and password. If you have a weak password, you have to check this box. And now type your email here so that if you forget your password, you will be able to reset from this email. Leave this box unchecked. And press Install WordPress. And here the WordPress has been installed successfully. Now, log into your WordPress. Enter the username and password. Welcome to WordPress. This is the dashboard of WordPress. If you have any questions regarding this video, then ask me in the comments section below.